What can you take with you? Nothing. Nice pitch. Hey. That goes away. Oh, he's holding that guy. I didn't even see the guy at second.
That was it.
You're gonna have to go DoorDash.
Son? Yeah. So charged.
He is given the inside corner.
Easy.
No way. That's a good pitch because there's nothing he can.
Good pitch. Let's change it, I believe.
Throw it again.
No, it's curve. Still on.
Especially with the curveball hitter. Nice pitch. He's gonna give him that. Sit. He's just dropping the bucket too. Nice pitch. Good. That's the pitch I would have thrown too. Yeah. Nice pitch. And that's the ball. He's going to give him that. Sit there. Up in the tunnel. That's Easton's. Yeah. Nice play. Jamal's throw. Hackford. That's good. Maybe a little higher.
Said they're 4-0 in the last games today.
Who was that?
That's my guy. He's been trying to get
Look at that guy. Wow.
Dude, he's calling.
He's smooth.
That was the team last year. That's a good pitch. Keeps dropping.
Pitch. What was that? Oh, a strike last night. This kid wants nothing to do with baseball. What's up? What's up? Hook him. Oh, yeah, no, shoot. The only chance he had was an inside curveball because he dropped.
Look at the spin.
Uh-huh.
That's a nice little feature.
Go that. Send him a link. Man, he's in the doghouse.
He thinks I'm trying to jam him up, and I'm just asking him. Get it. That's the job.
That's a shot. Get back there.
Look at the center fielder, Jake Brown.
Looks like he just earned it.